Unboxing time. I received a gift from this person, from my nephew, Aldrin, and from my grandson, the son of Aldrin Shimano Aldrich Bautista, aka or also known as Sab. Sab. So Sab is going to open the box for me or the gift for me. From he said, come on, Sab.
Okay.
I want to know what's inside. Maybe it's a bomb or what? Something that explodes.
No?
But it's light, not heavy.
I need
You need scissors, okay? Nagno-nosebleed ako when I am with him. So, be careful. Because the gift might be sensitive, so just be careful. You okay? Can I see the name again of the one who gave me this gift? The other side, please. I want to see the name. Return. Just a moment, Sab.
Okay.
The name is OMG Aldrin Bautista. The address is this in Candon from Lazada. Oh, I think this is baraha or playing cards. Fortong it. Sab and I went to the church this morning. And he couldn't stay inside. He wants to go to McDonald's to buy his food. Ay! Up.
Let's see.
Ni Manong Bullet, Manong Bullet, Jonah Delgado boy is watching. He is our neighbor. Need help?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm?
He's barefoot. One. Oh. Here are the scissors.
This sister didn't
Do the scissors help? No. Okay.
No?
Pupunta ulit sa loob para kumuha ng anong maisip niyang para mabuksan.
Okay.
Bless yun ako. Here's the kalamyas that I'm going to dry. So, you okay with the smaller scissors?
Yeah?
Tignan ko lang kung mabubuksan mo. OMG! What is that? Can you open the... Ay, what is this? Oh my God. I'm going to the diversion road to run. It's a 7-kilometer road, which is ideal for me. But then, the healing takes time. But in 2 or 3 days, the wound would be okay. Here, from the laser by Doc Richard Gadiasa in Skinsol, Mandaluyong, Cubao, and in Novaliches. These are the clinics. Huawei. And there are some more gifts coming from Mom Elizabeth. Wow, I like it. I don't know how to use it. Do you know how does that works? Or where to put? It's on the wrist, huh? To be put on the wrist.